Horse racing appears to be the first local sporting line to get the green light for resumption following the suspension, cancellation or postponement of sporting events due to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. Here's Spencer Darlington with the details.
TVJ Sports understands that a proposal has been put forward for racing to resume at Caymanas Park on June 6. The promoting company, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, met with the leadership for key stakeholder groups in a video link meeting on Thursday where the proposal was put on the table. It's further understood that the resumption would see racing being held without spectators, in keeping with government guidelines and the restriction on gatherings at various events. A release from SVREL late Thursday evening said there would be a reopening of the main racetrack effective Friday. A decision was taken last weekend to scale down racetrack operations. The release added that Thursday's meeting with industry stakeholders was brokered by President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, Keith Duncan, and was in keeping with an overall aim to create and retain employment in the racing community at all levels. In the meantime, a reliable source told TVJ Sports that members of the various occupational groups have agreed to take a 4% cut in purse monies until financial stability returns to the local racing industry. The leadership for the various stakeholder groups are expected to sign a memorandum of understanding regarding the proposals accepted on Thursday for this document to be returned to the Project Monitoring Committee by the end of the day. In the meantime, no decision has been reached as yet regarding the reopening of the over 120 off-track betting parlors and the guidelines that would govern their reopening. Representatives from the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, the Project Monitoring Committee, the Jamaica Racing Commission, the United Racehorse Trainers Association, the Jamaica Racehorse Trainers Association, the Jamaica Racehorse Owners Association, TOBA, the Jamaica Jockeys Guild and the Grooms Association of Jamaica were involved in Thursday's meeting. The Project Monitoring Committee's 5-point proposal for the resumption of racing includes lobbying the Ministry of Health to put similar guidelines in place, like those for BPOs and supermarkets, to facilitate the speedy resumption of racing. Attempts to get a response from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton were unsuccessful. Live racing at Caymanas Park has been suspended indefinitely since March 21. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.